yesterday we discussed our exercise 9.1 up to question number 11. Now today question number 12. From the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degrees. Angle of elevation, they are talking about the angle of elevation. It means, what is the meaning of this line? That this high building, this height is less than the height of this cable tower, because we are on the top of this high building, and angle of elevation, it means our head is up, we want to see something, it means we want to see the top of that tower. So that's why, let us suppose this is 7-meter high building and this is our tower. Now angle of elevation, and we know that angle of elevation, this is the line of sight. Angle of elevation is always between the horizontal line and the line of sight, and this horizontal line is always according to which condition? The height of the object, and here 7-meter high building is given to us, so that's why this line is parallel to the surface. These two lines are now parallel to each other. Now what is the angle of elevation? Angle of elevation is 60 degrees. This is our first condition. Next one, and angle of depression of its foot. It means foot of cable tower, and angle of depression, it means our head is down, we want to see to the foot of the tower. So that's why this is the line of sight. This is the line of sight, and this line is the horizontal line. So angle of depression is, what is angle of depression here? Angle of depression is 45 degrees. If here, let us suppose this A, B is height of cable tower, CD is the 7-meter high building, and let this point is E point. Now this CE is parallel to BD, because BD is a line, horizontal line on the surface, and this line is a horizontal line parallel to this surface. So these two lines are the parallel line. So with the help of alternate interior angle condition, we can say that this angle is also equal to 45 degrees. This is equal to 45, and this angle also equal to 45 degrees. Now which value we want to find out? Determine the height of the tower. Height of the tower, this one we want to find out. Now when we are drawing a line parallel to this surface, if this height is 7 meter, can we say that BE is also equal to 7 meter? So here BE is equal to 7 meter. Now which is our required condition? Height of this AE. AE length we want to find out. If we know about the length of AE, then we can say that this is the total height of this tower, and height of tower we want to find out. Now in this case again, we will consider here two triangles. First one is ACE triangle, and second one is which one? You can consider any triangle, CDB triangle. Okay, CDB. If we consider this one, in this case we will obtain this BD. BD is the base. Then CE is equal to BD. Now in triangle, first triangle is CDB triangle. CDB. Why we are considering this triangle? Because here one angle and one side is given to us. That's why we are considering this triangle. Now in triangle CDB, again perpendicular divided by base is equal to tangent. Angle is 45 degrees. Tangent 45 is 1. Now here perpendicular is 7, and base is equal to BD equal to tangent 45 is 1, implies BD is equal to 7 meter. So this is the value of BD, 7 meter. If BD is equal to 7, can we say that CE is also equal to 7 meter? Why? Because these two lines are the parallel and also equal. So BD equal to CE equal to 7 meter. This is our first condition. Now next, in which triangle? ACE triangle. Now in triangle ACE, again perpendicular divided by base. perpendicular divided by base is equal to tangent, and here theta is 60 degree. This is the angle side opposite to this angle is perpendicular, and this is base. Now base value is given to us 7. Substitute this value, and what is the value of perpendicular? Perpendicular is AE divided by 7 equal to tangent 60 value is root 3. So we can say that AE is equal to 7 times of root 3 meter. This is the height of this AE. We want to find out the height of tower. Now tower is AB, and this can be written as AE plus BE. Now what is the value of AE? 7 times of root 3 plus BE value. BE is equal to 7 meter. So 7 is common, root 3 plus 1 meter, and this is our required value. It means height of the tower.